Hey crypto world family. Are you ready to dive into a crypto project that blends the best of traditional finance with the wild world of blockchain? Today, we're about to break down something that has been causing quite a stir in the crypto community, Sidra Bank's native token, Sidra, and how it's performing against USDT on PancakeSwap. It's been a rollercoaster of a ride over the last 24 hours, a 28% price drop, volatility up the wazoo, and some big moves behind the scenes. But don't click away yet. By the end of this video, you'll understand whether this is a get in now while it's cheap moment, or if we're witnessing a token trying to find its footing. Trust me, this is going to be fun. So buckle up, grab your favorite snack, or crypto snack, who knows, maybe there's a token for that, and let's jump right into it. What's up, crypto world? Welcome back to the channel where we break down everything crypto with a little bit of humor, a lot of analysis, and all the opinions you didn't know you needed. If you're new here, don't be shy. Smash that subscribe button, give us a like, and join the family. Seriously, I'll be waiting for the crypto world waits for no one. Today, we're digging deep into Sidra Bank's Sidra token on PancakeSwap. If you've been keeping an eye on this one, you know it's been a wild 24 hours for Sidra/USDT. With a drop of nearly 28% in price, this token is making some waves. But is it a sign of the times, or is there a method to the madness? Oh, and by the way, stick around for the entire video because I'll be sharing my thoughts on whether you should be bullish on Sidra Bank or if this is a classic case of crypto chaos. No spoilers, but the future of Sidra Bank could be brighter than my screen at 3 a.m. when I can't sleep because I'm watching crypto charts. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me tease you with this: Sidra Bank is not your average crypto project. It's attempting to do something pretty unique by making its native token, Sidra, Sharia compliant. That's right, a crypto project focusing on Islamic finance principles. Could this be the crypto bridge that opens up the door to a whole new market in Islamic countries? Or is this just another project with lofty goals that ends up getting lost in the noise of the crypto world? Stick around to find out because you'll want to hear my thoughts on this one. Before we dive deeper into the numbers and charts, if you're enjoying this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that button. Subscribe if you haven't already, you know the drill. Crypto World is here to make sure you stay ahead of the game with all the latest insights, predictions, and maybe a few memes along the way. Let's keep this train rolling. Okay, now let's get down to business. If you've been watching the Sidra/USDT pair on PancakeSwap, and let's be honest, who isn't obsessed with tracking every tick of their favorite altcoins? You've probably noticed the price has taken quite a dip. As of today, Sidra is sitting at $0.0103751 after a significant 27.95% drop over the last 24 hours. To give you a little perspective, the price peaked at $0.0104960 and then, bam! It dropped to a low of $0.0103526. It's like a roller coaster ride, but with fewer thrills and more confusion. What's behind this drop? It's a combo of factors, but the big one here is low liquidity. When a token has low liquidity, meaning not enough people are buying and selling it, even small transactions can cause big price swings. So, if someone decides to sell off a huge chunk of Sidra, the price can drop like a stone. And if you're the one holding onto your Sidra as the price tanks, you're probably not feeling so hot right now. And let's talk about trading volume, or the lack of it. In the last 24 hours, Sidra/USDT traded a total of just $15.61. I mean, that's practically nothing. Compare that to major tokens like Bitcoin or Ethereum, where we're talking about billions of dollars in daily trading volume. This is a small fish in a big pond, so volatility is to be expected. But wait, it gets worse, or better, depends on how you look at it. Over the past week, Sidra has seen a 53.03% drop. Yes, you heard that right, 53%. If you were hoping for a recovery after that 200% surge earlier this year, well, you might have to wait a little longer. The weekly high was $0.0223, and now we're sitting at $0.0103751. That's a pretty big hit. Here's the thing with crypto, these price swings are as normal as a Sunday afternoon price pump in a meme coin. One day it's up, the next day it's down. If you're in the game, you've got to be ready for the long haul. But honestly, if you bought at the peak, this might feel like a punch to the gut. If you bought at the low point, though, well, you might be smiling like someone who just found out their favorite token is now on a 50% discount. Let's talk about why this is happening. To put it simply, market correction. For those of you who don't live and breathe crypto every day, and if that's you, I respect your sanity, market corrections are when the price of an asset drops after a period of overvaluation. In this case, Sidra probably surged way too quickly, and now we're seeing the aftermath of that unsustainable jump. Look at it this way, the 200% increase earlier this year was likely a classic example of FOMO, fear of missing out, where traders piled in because they thought, this is the next big thing. Now, the price is correcting itself back to a more realistic value. You know, like when you buy a 50% off sale item, but then you realize it's only 50% off because the store needed to clear out stock that nobody wanted. For long-term investors, this could be the buy the dip moment you've been waiting for. But remember, this is crypto. The market doesn't care about your feelings. So, be prepared for more price fluctuations before anything stabilizes. Now, let's get into some speculation, everyone's favorite crypto pastime. Can Sidra recover from this drop? Well, it depends on what you're looking at. If you're betting on Sharia-compliant cryptocurrencies being the next big thing, then Sidra Bank could very well be a hidden gem. If they can build partnerships with Sharia-compliant entities and back Sidra with physical gold and silver, as promised, it might create a solid foundation for long-term growth. Think about it, if this project gains traction in the Islamic world, it could open the door to an entirely new market of crypto adoption. But, let's be real, crypto isn't known for its stability. If Sidra Bank can't prove that it's actually capable of delivering on its promises, or if we don't see enough demand to keep the token alive, Sidra could easily continue its descent. So, here's my crypto opinion, it's risky. If you're going in, you better have a strong stomach because this ride isn't for the faint of heart. But, if you're in it for the long term and willing to do the research, it might just be worth holding on to. Let's take a quick detour and talk about why Sidra Bank is so unique. This project is trying to merge traditional Islamic finance with blockchain technology, which is honestly pretty cool. By backing their Sidra token with real-world assets like gold and silver, they're making sure their token has intrinsic value, something many other cryptocurrencies can't claim. But here's the catch, the interpretation of Sharia compliance is not exactly clear-cut. Not all Islamic scholars will agree that this project meets the standards. And if Sidra Bank can't convince both investors and scholars that Sidra is halal, we could be in for some trouble. It's a gamble. The upside? If they pull it off, they could open the door to crypto adoption in Islamic countries. That's a massive market waiting to be tapped. So, if you're betting on this project, you're either betting on innovation or a massive risk. Alright, folks, we've come to the end of this wild ride. We've broken down the price action, speculated on the future, and even dabbled in a little Sharia compliance talk. Who knew crypto could get this fancy? The bottom line is this, Sidra Bank is an interesting project, but like everything in crypto, it's risky. It's either going to crash and burn or rise from the ashes like a phoenix. Which one will it be? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to keep up with all the latest crypto trends, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our next video, we're always keeping you ahead of the curve. And hey, if you're hungry for more crypto analysis, check out our other videos. There's plenty more where this came from. Thanks for tuning into Crypto World, I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay informed, and remember, in the world of crypto, it's not about how much you make, but how much you can afford to lose without crying. Catch you next time, Crypto World.